Oh yeah, we just got the best visit of my life. I always wanted this. Come on here. Bob, Bob, calm down, Bob. Bob. Bob, it's okay. Shh. Shh. I'm here to take care of you. Bob. Bob. Don't hit the window. Bob, hit the window. God damn it, Bob. No, Bob. You're gonna break your neck. Jesus Christ, Bob. Bob, calm down. Don't shit anywhere. Alright, Bob.
How the fuck did it even get in?
Someone's have to go, Bob. I'm so sorry. Bob, calm down. Jesus Christ, Bob, you gotta go straight from my eyes. Where's my eye pro? Bob. No, Bob! You fucking little crazy bastard. Bob. Calm down. Okay, throw this sweatshirt over you. Back off right here. Back off. I don't want you to fall and break your neck. Cause you're Riri, Bob. You get that Riri streak. I don't got eye pro. Shh, Bob. Bob. Bob, you're a strong motherfucker, okay? Fucking Bob. Hey, I'm gonna open. Bob, god damn it, Bob, fucker. Bob. Open it up, Bob. Bob, I'm gonna open it up. You're gonna be with your buddies. No, you're breaking it. Okay, we broke the screen. Look, Bob, the more you fucking fly around, the more fucking little fuck you, Bob. Bob! No! Bob, no! The screen took him down. No! Bob! Where are you, Bob? They took Bob.